Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the latest and greatest in beauty products. Today, we're diving into the TheraFace PRO Microcurrent facial device, a sleek, high-tech tool designed to lift, firm, and enhance your skin's overall appearance. It combines facial massage with advanced skincare treatments all in one compact device. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down and find out. The TheraFace PRO is an 8-in-1 facial massager and sculpting tool designed to offer a variety of treatments, from microcurrent technology to LED light therapy. It's marketed as a comprehensive at-home device that can tighten skin, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and improve texture and radiance, all within 12 weeks of use. The device features magnetic snap-on treatment rings that allow you to switch between treatments tailored to your skin's needs that day, whether it's anti-aging, gentle cleansing, or relieving jaw tension. The microcurrent technology is designed to mimic the percussive therapy that's behind Theragun, which is often used for muscle relaxation. Here, it's repurposed for the face, targeting facial muscles to reduce tension and improve the overall tone of your skin. LED light therapy adds an extra layer of skincare, promoting collagen production and giving you that youthful glow. After using the TheraFace PRO for a couple of weeks, it's clear that the device's versatility is one of its standout features. The magnetic attachments are incredibly easy to switch out, and they work seamlessly with the TheraBody app, which guides you through personalized routines designed by estheticians. I particularly enjoyed the customizable nature of the treatments, as I could adjust my routine based on my skin's needs for the day, whether I was dealing with breakouts, dryness, or just needed some relaxation. In terms of comfort, the device is gentle on the skin, but the microcurrent feature does give you a slight tingling sensation, which is typical for devices that work on muscle stimulation. The LED light therapy was soothing, and I noticed a subtle radiance after just a few sessions. As for jaw tension, the massager's ability to target that area was a game changer. After a long week of stress, the facial massage helped relieve the tightness in my jaw and temples, providing a much-needed moment of relaxation. Now let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: versatile design. The 8-in-1 functionality with interchangeable treatment rings allows for a personalized experience. App integration. The TheraBody app offers expert-led routines and tutorials, ensuring you get the most out of the device. Compact and easy to use. The device is portable and lightweight, making it easy to integrate into your routine without taking up too much space. Skin benefits. After consistent use, my skin felt firmer, looked more radiant, and was noticeably smoother. Cons? Price. The TheraFace PRO comes with a premium price tag, so it might not be for everyone. Slight tingling sensation. While not uncomfortable, the microcurrent feature can feel a bit intense, especially if you're new to these types of devices. Not for severe skin issues. While it works great for general skin care, those with more complex skin concerns may find it doesn't replace more intensive treatments. When considering value for money, the TheraFace PRO definitely offers a lot of features in one device, making it a convenient option for those looking to incorporate advanced skincare treatments at home. However, it's worth noting that the price might be a bit steep for those on a budget, especially when similar devices or treatments could provide comparable results at a lower cost. In terms of build quality, the TheraFace PRO feels durable and well-designed. The magnetic rings are easy to snap on and off, and the device itself is lightweight and comfortable to hold during use. The materials used feel premium, and it looks sleek on your bathroom counter. If you're someone who enjoys at-home facial tools or is looking to elevate your skincare routine, the TheraFace PRO could be a good investment. That said, if you're new to microcurrent devices or light therapy, the price tag might be a barrier. There are cheaper alternatives available that offer a more simplified experience, but they may lack the versatility or app integration that this device offers. So, would I recommend it? If you're after a device that provides a multifaceted skincare routine in one, then the TheraFace PRO could be a solid addition to your regimen. It's best suited for those who want to improve skin tone, texture, and firmness, and enjoy customizable treatments. If you're looking for something with more specific or targeted treatments, you may want to consider other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used the TheraFace Pro, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.